What is going on, y'all? We just boarded the MSC World America. We are in room 12068, and I want to take you on a little tour of it. So come with me. Here we go.
I think what I liked best about this room was this amazing ocean view that hits you right in the face the minute you open the door.
Look at this amazing ceiling to floor window. Just beautiful and amazing. Big couch. This is an Aurea spa room. Shelving. Nice little work area. Some more shelves. TV. Come down to the mini bar. Fully stocked for Diamond members. More shelving. Nice full-size mirror. Since this is an Aurea spa room, we of course have towels and robes, premium bedding, as well as premium pillows, headboard, workspace. You've got your USB-C connectors there to charge with, which is really nice with the high speed. Plenty of electrical outlets here in your vanity. Chas will love this feature. Boom. And look at that. Is that not awesome, ladies? And that's where you'll find your hair dryer, closets. Got a lot of drawer space. All the way down, 3 drawers. Let's go to the other side. And this is your closet space. Hangers, another mirror, ceiling to floor. Now look at these controls for lighting. This comes on, I'm gonna go out of there. Now, here is your air, heating and air. If you want this to be in full light mode, we hit that. And if you'll see, everything lights up. Now, we wanna go to bed, boom. We want to go to sleep, boom, everything goes out. Movie time, a little bit of lighting, but not a lot. Here's something really cool. Now, if I hit this button, if you'll watch over on the bed, I want this area in the bed to get very bright. So what I'm gonna do, you see how light it is now? I'll go here, I'm gonna go 99%, okay, and check that out. And you can do that for all the areas, very cool. Here's the restroom. Everybody wants to know about the restroom. Nice, large shower. Look how big that shower is. Big area here for the sink and all your goodies. Very, very impressed with this room.
We hope you enjoyed this room tour, and if you'd like to see more videos like this, click the link above.